Hello, and this is the unboxing of the Logitech K360 keyboard. Comes in a pretty standard box. Main features. Okay. Let's see what this is going on inside. Very nicely displayed. Here's the USB receiver. I'll just put that to the side. Take out the unit itself. With it comes standard documentation. Don't eat it. Very basic starter manual. Put the USB key in your PC, turn it on, should be set to go. Okay, this is the unit itself in very typical sticky packaging that you see coming out of Asia much more these days. Here's your basic unit. Okay, that's the cover that goes on it. Okay. Power takes two AA's. Should be set to go, and that with your full numeric keypad, all your function keys, and the fact it is set up for a Windows based system, that's your keyboard.